What's the meaning of calling? Calling. Calling.
Calling. Calling. In general, calling refers to the act of making a phone call or contacting someone through various means of communication to convey a message or information. The result of a calling can vary depending on the context and purpose of the communication. It may involve initiating a conversation, requesting or providing information, expressing emotions, or coordinating activities. Calling can also refer to one's profession, vocation, or sense of purpose in life. In essence, calling involves reaching out to others with a specific intention, whether it be personal or professional, and achieving some form of interaction or outcome.